Yes, human trafficking is real. And looking at the period we are soon approaching as a country and the world at large, of the festive season, the ending of the year, celebrations of Christmas, we usually have a high increase in the number of people that are trafficked. And we as TAKUZA Youth Ambassadors have seen the need to raise awareness between this period, as we have noticed that a lot of people are active on social media, and on the ground we have just had face-to-face interactions with people in different places. We had an exhibit in the Copper Belt during the showgrounds. Even in Osaka we had an exhibit during the showgrounds. We also had some march past with the Ministry of Defense, and also a meeting with the Ministry of Community and Social Welfare. Now we have taken it upon ourselves as Talita Kum Youth Ambassadors to raise awareness through social media, as most of the people and most of the public are active